reclassified hemp as an agricultural product rather than a controlled substance. Now we have farmers, processors, retailers in my state, most states, want to enter this market. They want to leverage the potential. They have significant regulatory and enforcement uncertainty, including the FDA. You recently stated the FDA, if I got this correct, could take years to create a formal pathway for hemp-derived CBD products to be sold, despite the fact they're widely available in the market. How do you think the FDA should use its enforcement discretion on the use of CBD as an ingredient?
Well, we're using enforcement discretion right now. I will take enforcement action against CBD products that are on the market if manufacturers are making what I consider over-the-line claims. So if you're marketing CBD and you're claiming it can cure cancer or prevent Alzheimer's disease, we're going to take action against that because that could mislead a patient into foregoing otherwise effective therapy. But there are products on the market right now that, given our enforcement priorities and our limited resources, we haven't taken action against. That's not an invitation for people to continue marketing these products. We're concerned about it. But we heard Congress loud and clear here. We know you want a pathway under our regulatory scheme. It's a challenging route because this not only exists as a drug in the marketplace, but it also is under substantial clinical investigation. So even if there wasn't an approved drug, because it was never previously in the food supply, we don't have a clear route to allow this to be lawfully marketed short of promulgating new regulations. That's why, in closing, one of the things that the working group that's headed up by Amy Abernathy, who's here with me today, our Principal Deputy Commissioner, is going to be looking at is what options we could propose to Congress to potentially legislate on this issue in a specific manner.
Well, that's what I'm thinking of, a legislative fix. I don't envy you trying to figure out a regulatory one because you have other agencies with regulatory. Would you please, as you continue on this, make sure my staff and I are kept apprised of what type of a legislative fix there might be. I think between the various committees, members of this serve on will probably be where the legislative fix will go. And I would just like to get some certainty here. I'm not diminishing the complexities, but I'd like to get some certainty.